What's up, everybody? This is Donald B. How are you all doing today? I'm going to show you guys a neat little trick here when it comes to your branding of your actual products or whatever materials you have, any designs you have, logos, all that kind of stuff. Now, a lot of times we're trying to find images that matches the colors that we have with our brand. For me, a lot of my colors is all about the green and yellow and black because if you guys don't know, my logo I have is all about the Jamaican colors, and I just love my culture, my family, I just love being a Jamaican. Yes, I was born here in the States, but at the same time, I'm full blood Jamaican. It's just something a little interesting to know about me. But anyways, we're gonna come over here. Now, sometimes there's templates we want to use, and we want something more in our style because we want to find a template that will help us out to create a project. Now, what you can do here is a lot of times you see this is all mixed up, random stuff, and you can't find your color. Well, here's a neat little trick here. So this is all under design. So if I hit elements to show you, let's go back. Design. This is all designs. Designs that you can use, that you may want to use for your projects, anything like that, to redo or to reposition, anything like that you want to do with this. It's up to you. But we're not going to deal with this. Let's go ahead and delete. I don't need to delete that right now. So come over here. So we're in design. Now watch this. You see this filter thing here? You want to click on this. Now, let's say just like for me, my stuff is all green, right? Boom. Look at that. All I have is all different color templates that has green in it. Like, isn't that cool? So if I want to use one of these templates, it's already got me started off with the colors that I want to use. Let's go back. Let's just do orange. Just like that. Orange is the same thing. Now, here's something here I didn't notice. I wonder what this does. Let's go by language. I didn't actually try this. Let's make sure we pick a language that I know I can actually read. Let's go to Spanish. Is Spanish on here? Let's just type in Spanish. Espanol. Okay. This is España. Alright, so let's come back here and man, this is fire! Like fire! Look at that. That's kind of cool. Ooh, this one's kind of cool. I kind of like this. But if you, like I said, if you really look at these things here, it's something easily done, real quick, harmless. Bam! It's just something. And then if I can come here, and you know how like when you pick a color or pick a template, it pulls out the colors. So let's just change the class. Nah, I don't want that. Let's back up. Let's just change this to that color. See, I mean, this is just kind of cool. You see how that works? That's just another way to help you brand your product or your projects. And I feel like this is something that'll be very, very helpful for you in the future. So that's all I wanted to show you guys today. Again, I will be coming back with more projects for Canva. I'll show you more tutorials that you want to use and utilize for your projects and for your business. And I want you guys to have a wonderful day. Again, my name is Donald B. As always, it's not deuces, it's doses.